If your Toyota RAV4 won't start, don't panic. We can narrow down the cause in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues in modern SUVs are traced back to the battery or terminal connections. Let's break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by checking for corrosion at the battery terminals and listening for a clicking sound when you turn the key. Beyond the battery, keep an eye on your starter, motor, and alternator, which are the next most common suspects. Don't forget to verify your gear selector is fully in park and that your key fob battery has enough juice. Simple fixes like cleaning terminals are worth a shot, but mechanical failures require a professional mechanic. Repair costs vary significantly depending on whether you are replacing a simple battery or a complex starter assembly. If you have a multimeter, check the voltage under load to confirm if your battery is truly holding a charge. Keep a basic scanner and multimeter in your glove box to save time during future unexpected breakdowns. Safety is always priority. Never attempt to jumpstart a battery that appears damaged or is leaking fluid. Thanks for watching. If these steps helped you find the issue, hit that subscribe button for more RAV4 tips.